Hello beloved, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am so grateful to have you here. On today's video, we will be completing my studio room makeover. This is actually part 2, so I will link up above part 1, so if you haven't seen it, you can do so. I'm so excited to show you how the room turned out, and with that being said, let's get started. Officially done painting. My dad actually helped me, and now it's on to decorating and putting everything into its place. Let's get to it. I really enjoy putting together shelf decor. In my mind, I see it kind of like a puzzle coming together, trying to make sense of random things and making it into a big masterpiece. And I actually really like how it turned out. This honestly has to be my favorite aspect in the studio. It's very empowering to be able to showcase my art in my workspace. It also helps me keep track of my inventory and makes the shipping process run smoothly. So, win-win if you ask me. today's video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me as much as I enjoyed bringing you along with me. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Make yourself comfortable, and I will see you here next time, beloved. Much love and light.